Defend your pet. Why is that important? Let me tell you why. If you don't defend your pets, they can't defend their own bodies. So as an animal ages, they have lots of things that happen with the mitochondria and with the telomeres, and they just don't work the same. I came up with a product formulated to really defend your pets against all the things that are happening, including environmental toxins and genetic impurities. I don't think we talk about this enough. Animals are going through a lot of different things, and it has to do with the environmental factors and the genetics that they actually have. And each breed is very different, whether it's a horse or a cat or whether it's a dog. If the telomeres and mitochondria aren't working, they can't fight things in the immune system. Let's talk dosing. Dosing is important. You can start with 1/4 of a teaspoon of this product, and you can go up to a 1/2 teaspoon, and even in your larger animals, up to a teaspoon. It's really important they drink lots of water and that you give this to your animals in their food. Defend your pets, it's needed, so your pets have the best life possible. When they can't defend their own bodies, help them with this product so that they have the support they need in day-to-day living. It's important. You want them to live the longest life possible and the best life possible.